Hello, welcome to another Blender tutorial. So in this video, we are going to see how to loop the animations in Blender. So this is a character which I have downloaded from the Mixamo. So if you go to the Mixamo, you can select the character here and we need to select the animations, whatever you want. And just we need to click on this download as an FBX and just we have to import into Blender. So for this tutorial purpose, I have downloaded the walk cycle. So if you click on this play, so now it is going to play this walk cycle. But what the thing is, now the character is going to stop after completing the keyframes here. So if you select this armature, now the keyframes are up to 32 frames. Now what we want is we need to loop these animations. So in order to do that, we need to select this armature and make sure we need to come to the timeline and press Shift E. And if you select this, make cyclic, and now if you click on this play, now the animation is looping. What it will do is like it will like continue the position of this character here after each cycle. If you select this repeat with offset, and now what the thing is, we need to copy this modifier so that we can paste to remaining keyframes here. So we need to select this option, select this, and now here press A so that it will select all the keyframes in the graph editor. And now we need to click on this paste modifier. So after pasting, and here we need to select this replace existing. Here you will get an option like paste modifier. So we need to select this and we need to enable this replace existing option here. So now if you click on this play, so now the animation is going to loop and also the position of the character is going to be continuous. So in this way we can create the loop animations by using this graph editor. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.